Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening VS Code and confirming the language extension and runtime are installed. Once done, open the project folder and create the file that matches the language. This ensures the editor activates the right features. Make sure to select your interpreter or compiler from the status bar so output commands map to the correct runtime. This first step prevents common path mismatches, and it sets up integrated terminals and run configurations you'll use next. Now configure how VS Code will execute your code. You'll create or edit launch. JSON to define the program, args, and console type so output appears where expected. At the same time, use the integrated terminal and pick a shell. Set the working directory if commands depend on relative paths. If compilation or preprocessing is needed, add tasks. JSON entries and link them to your launch configuration so build and run happen in sequence. These middle steps connect editing to visible output. Finally, run your configuration using run or start debugging and watch the terminal or debug console for output. You'll inspect errors and exit codes to determine whether paths, environment variables, or arguments need adjusting, and then update launch. JSON or tasks. JSON accordingly. If output still fails to appear, enable verbose logging in settings and rerun to capture more detail. This reveals misconfigured shell, wrong CWD, or missing environment variables. One key tip: toggle between debug console and terminal to find where output is directed.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.